these are imaginary lines on which we assume what is traveling? We assume unit north monopole traveling. Okay, so you remember only this much. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. Okay, now the second point is, yes, second point, this starts from which pole, Ramaiya?
Sir, North Pole to South Pole.
North pole and come back. At South Pole, like this. This starts from north and ends at south, like this. Magnetic field lines form closed loop. Speak. Magnetic field lines forms closed loop. Speak. Speak. Magnetic field lines form closed loop.
Sir, inside magnetic field south से north जाती है.
Correct. And outside magnet, north to south. N से ऐसे याद रखना है, N से निकल और S से स्वागत. Understood? But inside magnet, S to N. Okay. Will you understand that? Now the next important point, two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Speak with me. Two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Speak with me. Two
magnetic
field lines never intersect each other. Okay, two magnetic field lines never ever intersect each other. Always remember. The next point, magnetic field lines always form closed loop. Speak with me. Magnetic field lines always forms what? Magnetic field lines always forms what?
closed loop.
Closed loop. Okay. They never intersect each other. They form closed loop. They start from north and ends at south. And two magnetic field lines always repels each other. Speak with me. Magnetic field lines repels each other. Speak with me. Magnetic field lines repel each other. डबल एल आएगा क्या? डबल एल आएगा क्या रमैया?
No.
Repels each other. Magnetic field lines repels each other. एक दूसरे को प्रतिकर्षित करती हैं, repel करती हैं. ठीक है? Magnetic field lines repels each other. Right? So this is all about magnetic field lines. These lines are imaginary, and they start from north and end at south pole. They always form closed loop. They never intersect each other. Okay. Now let's write one or two very high level points related to magnetic field lines. What are the high level points? Yes.
Sir, one useful analogy is the close connection between magnetic monopole and electric charges. ये भी हो सकते हैं ना?
Analogy is that the north pole is analogous to positive charge and south pole is analogous to negative charge. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can compare. We compare them then. Now let's talk about the very important property. Yes.
Sir, can you explain first point?
These are imaginary lines on which we assume unit north monopole traveling. Means we assume there is some magnetism in the lines. See why? How will you explain two lines repelling each other? How will you explain why two magnetic field lines repelling each other? Because one north pole is traveling along upper line and another north pole is traveling along the lower line, and same poles repels each other. To explain why magnetic field lines repel each other, we are writing this. Okay, because there is some kind of magnetism traveling along with the lines. That's why two lines repels each other. Okay, understood? If we will not
Yes,
assume
sir.
one pole traveling along with line, two lines will never repel. Understood, Angel? Apar? अपार कहाँ थे इतने दिन? कहाँ थे अपार? तो में से किसी ने, एक बच्चे ने भी एनसीईआरटी सॉल्व करके मुझे नहीं भेजा. नो वन सेंट मी एनसीईआरटी. नो वन. ओके. अरे आज वो नहीं आई. क्या नाम है उसका? विधि नहीं आई आज. Okay. So magnetic field lines can enter into the conductors, right? Magnetic field lines can enter into conductors. Conductors में अंदर जा सकती है magnetic field lines. Okay. Now the next high level point says that high density of magnetic field lines. High density of magnetic field lines represent stronger magnetic field. Represent stronger magnetic field. Understood? Understood or not? These are the points we covered in our last class. These are the main points about magnetic field lines. In case of any doubt, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. Papa Rajul ko bhejna. Now I have something to show you. You are going to like it very much. मेरे को ये मैग्नेट्स का रिपल्सन दिखाना है. बच्चों, do you remember north pole?
Repel.
Two north pole.
Repel.
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 Repel. South.
Repel.
Repel.
North south.
Attract.
North south.
Attract.
Right.
Attract.
Rajul sir is going to show some experiment to you in which he will show you repulsion and attraction. He will show you repulsion of same pole and attraction of opposite poles. Okay, be ready. I'm going to use camera. Take photo में ही दिख जाएगा ना. बच्चों, can you see two magnets? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Can you see repulsion? Without touching it is repelling. Without touching it, see this. See this. Similar pole, it will repel. It will repel. Yes, it is repelling. Now show attraction. Now show attraction. Opposite poles attracts like this. See now they are attracting, and the force is non-contact force. Now I would like to show you one more experiment in which Rajul sir will rub a tool into the magnet and it will start behaving like a magnet. This is a speaker system and I'll explain you how it works. You see, rating is written 3 watt. It's a 3 watt speaker. See what he's doing. What Rajul sir is doing. He's rubbing a metal piece with a magnet. नट भी तो चाहिए अट्रैक्शन दिखाने के लिए. वो रखा, उधर ही रखा. So what he did, he rubbed a metal piece with a metallic wire. Now see. लोहे का नहीं तो उससे कैसे चिपक रहा है. कुछ लेके आओ पापा को बुलाओ। भारी है ना, हल्का नट चाहिए, नेल चाहिए, नेल कहाँ से लाया यार, मैंने पहले से तैयारी नहीं करी। This, yeah, yes, can you see that, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this thing, this metal start behaving like a magnet. How it start behaving like a magnet? Because we rub this with a magnet. Understood? If we rub
Yes,
a
sir.
ferromagnetic material, with the magnet, what will happen? The ferromagnetic material itself will become a magnet. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's get back to our main point. So today you observed repulsion between similar pole and attraction between opposite pole. And today you observed one more thing. If we keep rubbing a magnetic material with the magnet, the magnetic material will itself start behaving like a magnet. So if we rub a ferromagnetic material with the magnet, ferromagnetic material will start behaving like a magnet. Hopefully you enjoyed. Okay. So bachcho, can you draw magnetic field lines pattern? Draw magnetic field lines pattern for two bar magnets. Placed close to each other. Can you do this? Bacho, can you do this? It is interesting. Suppose this is magnet 1. This is north pole, this is south pole. And suppose this is magnet 2. Let's keep north pole facing. Now what kind of force you are observing between them? Come on, Babo, tell me what kind of force you are observing between them. Attraction or repulsion?
Repulsion.
Repulsion.
Repulsion, right? The force of repulsion we can observe. Now why? Why force of repulsion? See that. Can you see some magnetic field lines? Can you see some magnetic field lines starting from the left hand side magnet?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So blue color magnetic field lines are actually repelling orange color magnetic field lines. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these magnetic field lines are not going to intersect each other. They are repelling each other. Now, hopefully you understood why two magnets repels each other when similar poles are phased. Hopefully you understood. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. See these magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines are forming closed loop. Be very careful while making closed loop. These magnetic field lines should not intersect each other. Two magnetic field lines should not intersect each other. You need to be very careful while making these magnetic field lines in your copy. If they will cut each other, teacher is not going to give you marks. See this. My two magnetic field lines are not cutting each other. They are not touching each other. Two magnetic field lines are repelling each other. So magnetic field pattern of both the magnets are repelling each other actually. Let's draw this completely. I'm sorry, I'm not making them very beautiful. Although I'm very good at drawing, but this time I want to save some time. All magnetic field lines form closed loop, right? All magnetic field lines form the closed loop. Inside magnet from S to N, outside magnet from N to S. Any doubt in that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
I believe everyone understood why when when similar pole face of two magnet by the repel. Okay, now I want you to tell me what will be the magnetic field pattern if we face opposite poles of two magnet. Suppose north pole of first magnet is facing south pole of the other magnet. What will you observe? Now what you will? Attraction. And what will be the pattern of magnetic field lines? Can you suggest? What will be the pattern of magnetic field lines?
North to south.
North to south, but this magnetic field line of magnet 1 will enter into the magnet 2? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, this will be the pattern. समझ आया? मजा आया? The magnetic field line is coming out from N and it is coming back at south. So magnetic field lines will form patterns like this when you put opposite poles of two bar magnet facing each other. Like this. Make this pattern. Very important for school exam. Both the patterns are going to come in school exam. Make it fast. Okay, so this is pattern of magnetic field line due to a bar magnet. Now write next topic. Pattern of magnetic field line due to a straight current carrying wire. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir.
All right, now be ready for next topic. Be attentive. Magnetic field lines due to, this is very important for school exam. Magnetic field lines due to straight. Spelling is right. Current carrying wire. Ramaiya, check spelling once, please. All spellings are correct, Ramaiya?
Yes.
Okay. Now, suppose this is a plane. Okay. Now let's do some coloring. Which color is your favorite? Pink color. Pink color is favorite nowadays. Everyone like pink color. Ramaiya, which one is your favorite color?
Blue.
Okay. You will have to tell me why compounds shows color. Why different compounds have different colors. Vidhi, you tell me why different compounds have different colors.
Because of their covalent bonding.
What?
Covalent bonding.
Very close and satisfactory answer. Scientific
Sir.
answer is due to different, huh? Yes?
वेवलेंथ सर
सर वो ज्यादा हीट हो जाते हैं तब.
सर ड्यू टू
No.
डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ
No. Due to different electronic configuration. Right? All elements have different number of electrons in their orbits. Am I right? All elements have different number of electrons in their orbits, right? So all the compounds shows different color due to their atomic size and electronic configuration. And Vidhi's answer is also up to the mark, we can say indirect answer, but correct. Suppose this is a plane. Okay. It is very important to make it proper color. It is very important to color it properly. So I'm so sorry I'm taking too much time. I do not have a color drop option here in this application. Okay. Now is this okay almost? Almost perfect? So we made a plane. We made a plane, right? Now imagine a wire perpendicular to the surface of plane. Imagine a wire which is perpendicular to the surface of plane like this. And current is going up. Current is going up in the wire. Now everyone, tell me all the best. Everyone give me a thumbs up. Everyone show me thumbs up from right hand only. Everyone show me thumbs up by right hand only. How your fingers are, what is pattern your fingers making? What type of pattern your fingers are making? Avantik, tell me. Everyone show me real thumbs up by your right hand. Make your right hand like this. Make your right hand like this. This is thumb of your right hand. And these are fingers of your right hand. Now tell me, suppose current, suppose thumb represent current. Suppose thumb represent direction of flow of current. So what my fingers will represent? Can you suggest?
Magnetic field.
My finger will represent magnetic field lines. Okay. So let's make pattern. Concentric circles. What will be the pattern? Bolo. Concentric circles. Bolo.
Concentric circle.
Concentric circle.
The pattern of magnetic field lines will be concentric circular. Like this. Why arrow like this? Look, see the direction of your right hand finger. Direction of your right hand finger is also like this. Understood? I made correct arrow or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is pattern of magnetic field lines due to current
मेरे
carrying.
में zoom नहीं हो रहा था. दिया.
अच्छा.
हम तुम्हें बाहर ही दिखा सकते.
अरे बातचीत नहीं.
भैया.
म्यूट कर लो. पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. ऐसी जगह बैठा करो जहां पे शांति हो. This is pattern of magnetic field lines. Okay. So what will be the pattern of magnetic field lines due to current carrying wire? If your teacher asks what is pattern of magnetic field line due to current carrying wire, what you will say? What answer you will give?
Anti-clockwise.
No. Concentric circles. What answer you will give? Concentric circles. And if current will go downward, then they will be clockwise. Now current is going up. That's why the magnetic field lines are clockwise. If current will start going down, then magnetic field lines will be clockwise. Right now, their magnetic field lines are anti-clockwise. If we flow current downward, then they'll become anti-clockwise. Am I right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's make one more diagram in which we will be flowing current downward. Current is flowing downward. No, first we'll need to make a plane. And making plane is difficult. Wow, easily. We made a plane easily, but I don't want this type of plane. Yes. This type of plane is okay. Right? This is plane, bacho. Now suppose current carrying wire is going downward. Current is going downward. Now give me a dislike by your right hand. What is pattern of your magnetic field lines?
Clockwise.
How fingers of your right hand are rotating? Srishti, how fingers of your right hands are rotating will give you direction of magnetic field lines. Okay? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Shivani is absent. Yes. Please go ahead. You were asking some doubt. Now, keep your thumb along flow of current, you will observe that fingers of your right hands are rotating like this. No, they are rotating clockwise. I made it wrong. I'll correct the arrows. Yes, they are moving clockwise like this. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Yes.
कुछ वो कपड़ा तो दो पहले से। हाँ जी दे दो सैनिटाइजर। Give me 1 minute बच्चों, please give me 1 minute. हल्का सा। टाइम नहीं है। Give me 1 minute, student. Okay, can you see screen now? This
Yes,
will
sir.
be the pattern
Yes,
of magnetic field lines.
Yes, sir.
Not one, lot of concentric circular magnetic field lines like this. Okay? Understood? Any doubt in that?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now I will make a wire and you will tell me how to make magnetic field lines pattern. No, that is enough, right? Suppose a wire is traveling, or there is a wire in which current is flowing like this. Like this. Can you tell me pattern of magnetic field lines by right hand thumb rule? Can you tell me direction of the pattern of magnetic field lines?
Sir,
Come on.
Anti-clockwise.
Sir, anti-clock.
How they
Anti-clockwise.
will look? How they will look? Like this? Like this? This pattern is correct or not?
Yes.
Correct.
Very good, bacho. Very good. Very good. So now, hopefully, now everyone understood how to make pattern of magnetic field line due to a current carrying wire, right? Understood? Okay. So this is the pattern of magnetic field line due to a current carrying wire. So Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. What is this? Maxwell's right hand thumb rule helps us in finding direction of magnetic field due to a current carrying wire. Now write Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Right? Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Fingers of right hand represent direction of magnetic field and thumb represent what? Represent what? Come on, tell me.
Current.
Direction of current. This is Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Very important for school exams. Okay. This was the target of the day which we have achieved. Hopefully you all understood how we found direction. Okay, now what is your homework? There should be a homework, right? And I'm going to give you a very good homework. You will enjoy. Give me 1 minute.
Excuse me.
Yes.
You said you will explain Earth's magnetism today.
Oh, I forgot. I changed the topic suddenly. In the next class, I'll include it. Okay. I'm so sorry. I forgot. तो अभी तो मैं पूछता हूँ तुम लोग से, तुम लोग बताते ही नहीं हो. सपोज हमारे पास एक प्लेन है. नहीं यार, ये अच्छा नहीं बना ना.
Increase the area of pen.
What?
Increase the area.
Like this. Okay. अभी सीख रहा हूँ ना मैं. I have a very good question for you all, bachcho. You all are going to enjoy this question. Okay, but so suppose this is plane, okay, and there is a current carrying coil. Yes, there is a current carrying coil. It starts like this. This is current carrying wire. But so this is current carrying wire like this. It's a complete circular wire, but okay, I'll try to make it big so that you can watch it completely. Suppose it's a current carrying wire starting like this and ending like this. It's a current carrying wire. What will be the pattern of magnetic field line due to such current carrying wire? It's a complete circular current carrying wire. Okay.
20 clock.
And current is flowing. Your task is to make pattern of magnetic field line due to this current carrying wire. Or in the easiest way, you can say that what is pattern of magnetic field lines due to current carrying circular loop? This is a current carrying circular loop. What will be the pattern of magnetic field line due to the loop? Can you tell me?
20 clock.
No, clockwise, anti-clockwise, but how I should make it? What pattern I can make? We are talking about pattern, you know. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, in next class we'll talk about this. Understood? Now, let's learn some more basics, bacho. If we put a current carrying wire in the external magnetic field, what will happen? If we put a current carrying wire, in external magnetic field. External magnetic field means field created by some bar magnet. Like this. Suppose this is a bar magnet. Suppose this is a very strong bar magnet, but so this is north pole of that strong bar magnet, and this is south pole of a strong bar magnet. Okay. So can you observe a very strong magnetic field in this region? Say yes.
Yes,
It's a very
sir.
strong magnetic field. It shows a strong magnetic field. Now, what if I put a current carrying wire in this field? What if I put some current carrying wire in this field? Like this. What happened? I'm sorry. If we put a current carrying wire in this, what will you observe? Come on, tell me. Can anyone suggest me? What if we put a current carrying wire in the external magnetic field? Will you find any kind of deflection? Will you experience any kind of force? Because when you brought two magnets closer today, what you observed? We did this experiment today itself. You forgot. We brought two magnets closer to each other. What we observed? What we observed? Say repulsion. Say
Repulsion.
right.
Repulsion.
Means a kind of force. When we brought two magnets close to each other, we observed a type of force. And here, will you observe any kind of force? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why? Because we have two magnetic fields. One magnetic field is due to wire and other magnetic field is due to external magnet. Do you remember a current carrying wire creates its own magnetic field? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we have two magnetic field. One due to the external magnet and other due to the current carrying wire. So there we have two magnetic field. That's why the current carrying wire may experience some force. Okay, what is conclusion? If we put a current carrying wire in an external magnetic field, the current carrying wire may experience a force. Do you understand that? Happy? Okay, that's it
Which
for
kind of force?
electromagnetic force. The value of force will be equal to ILB, where B is external magnetic field, length, L is length of the wire, and I is current in the wire. ILB sin theta. We will be discussing about that in our next coming lectures. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed my
Sir.
class. Yes.
Sir, is there any way to calculate the area occupied by magnetic field lines?
Not area, but there is a method by which we can calculate flux. Now, flux is number of magnetic field line passing through any area. Flux is proportional to number of magnetic field lines passing through any area. Flux we can calculate. Okay, that will come in class 12. Okay, that's it for the day. Keep your doubts safe. Write your doubts in a copy and arrange a separate doubt session for high level doubts. Okay, bye. Take care.